creating rolling titles. Titles are moving vertically across the screen. So to make one, I'm going to come up here in my program here, and I'm going to click on my type tool, and I'm going to create a box, and then in here I'm going to just type in like name 1, enter, and these are like names of the producer, the director, things like that. You know, stagehands, the grips, whatever. And so I'm going to have a list of names, and I'm going to just click outside of that. And I'll do is I'll just click over here. So I just clicked outside on the text name, and I clicked off of it. Down here I have role. I'm going to click on the role. Now, where do I want this to start? I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to give it a time that I want to start. If you notice, I'm at 10, so I'm going to start with 10. I'm going to say I want it at 10, and let's say I want the roll to maybe, I don't know, 20. All right. You'll see that it's created a little graphics here, and I'm going to play this. And actually, I'm going to hit enter and render this thing. Maybe not. I'll just go over here, and I'm just going to hit play. And you see that those credits rolled past there. Okay. And so also I can come over here and just pull those credits a little longer if I like, and it'll stretch out those credits. Like I'll do it really long here, and I'll play it again. So those are rolling titles. Rolling titles go vertically across the screen. So we will create those with our type tool, and then make sure we click on the rolling button over here in the edit in the essential graphics.